Chalo, sir. So again, a very good morning to everyone and welcome to Oliveboard, sir. I hope I'm audible as well as visible. You guys can see me, hear me clearly. You guys can see me, hear me absolutely clearly, sir. Just a quick confirmation, please. Just a very quick confirmation. Just a very quick confirmation on whether I'm audible as well as visible. I hope I'm audible as well as you guys can see me, hear me clearly, right? Chalo, let's start with the live mock analysis for this week. Acha, last week I got a comment about the quality. You see, I tried my best. So this is the highest available quality that I'm streaming. So it's on, like, it is getting streamed at exactly using my graphics card and stuff. But whatever the screen capture quality is, it's available at the best quality of the web page. So I cannot just there is absolutely no way for me to increase the quality of the web page, right? So that's one thing we must understand. So again, let's try this out. I've zoomed it a little bit. So again, if you face any issues, please do let me know. Now, having said that, with that out of the way, let's start with the question. Now, a tank, the first question, 320 liter mixture of normal water and salty water. Normal water and salty water, total is 324 liters. 5:7 is the part. So, sir, how much normal water? 324 into 5 out of 5 plus 7, 12 parts. So that means 12 twos are this, and sir 84, 7 12s are this. So 27 into 5, it is 135. 135 liters of salty normal water. And what about this? 324 into 7 out of 12. So 12 is 27. So this is 140, 189 liters of salty water, sir. Now what happened? Now here you see there is a very different type of replacement that has happened. 9x liters of mixture was taken out, but again not exactly 9x liters of water was replaced. There was, the quantity was different. So that means the traditional part or traditional concept of replacement cannot be used, because the part or the amount that was taken out and the amount that was put back in, those are not same. So what I'll do, sir, 9x liters. So in these 9x liters, how much was normal water, sir? So 9x into 5/12. So 3 3s, 3 4s. So 15x by 4 liters. And how much was salty, salt water, sir? That was 9x into 7/12, sir. Again 4 3. That was 20x by 4. So now that means, sir, just a second, excuse me, sir, if you take out, so this much normal water was taken out, meaning normal water remaining will be this, salt water remaining will be this. But sir, salt water we have put back in this much as well. So plus 5x minus 8. This ratio is now given to you as 2:3. You see, this is given. So I just need to figure out the value of x. Just a little bit of calculation now. 135, extremely sorry, minus 15x divided by 4. By 189. That's a 189, and this is minus 8, sir. That means 181. Now, and you see minus this plus this. So it will be minus 4 5s are 20. So this will become x by 4. That is equal to 2 divided by 3. And once you do this, now just do the cross multiplication. So 3 into 135. So 300 into 35, 3s are 105. So 300 and this is 405 minus 45 by 4. 45x is equal to, this is 362. and sir minus this is 2 meaning sir x by 2. So from there it will go that side sir, this is 45x by 4 and minus it will become sir 2x by 4. I'm just writing. That means 43x divided by 4. It is equal to 405 minus 362. That is 3 here, that is 4 here, that is nothing here. So 43. Cancels, x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4, which is option number B. You see, done and dusted. Now, it is not very difficult. It is definitely not very difficult. But again, you had to do a couple of lines. And in our batches, you see, we have done for those who are from at least my classes, those who have done, they will say, sir, ये type तो हमने बहुत बार किया है. Sir, similar but again different like kind of replacement, not the same quantity. Correct, sir? Chalo, next. I guess there are couple of questions from here. Yes, a few questions from here. 1, 2, two questions. Chalo. Let's understand what is going on here. They have given you some part. They have given you actually some parts. Let's understand, sir. Let us understand what is going on. Chalo, dekhte aa jao. So first things first. In a bank, amount can be invested in two different schemes. Scheme 1 is 12% rate of interest, simple interest. Scheme 2 is 8% rate of compound interest. Okay. Preet, who earns this much? Okay. Preet, 25,000, invested 25% of her savings at scheme 2 for this. Acha. First things first. Preet and Reet spends this much of their respective incomes. So savings will be what? For Preet. So 25,000 is the amount that Preet earns. 76% he spends. So meaning 24% is his, you can say what? It is his savings. So 24 into 250. So do one thing, into 4 by 4. 250 into 4 is 1000. This is 6. So 6,000. This is the savings. Acha. And what about Reet? What will be his or her savings? Because it's a very gender neutral term. 50%. Acha. Reet ka sir, ek second. Reet who earned 36% less than Preet. So Reet income is 25,000 into 36% less, meaning 64%. Meaning sir 64%, not 1000 but 100 into sir 50% of the respective income they actually, meaning half sir. This is the part they actually save 50%. So let's do the calculation. This is done. This is 32 sir. Again, sir, 250 remaining into 4 by 4. So this is 8. So 8,000, sir. This is their savings. Preet's savings is 6,000. Reet's savings is 8,000. Now let's see. What about Preet? What is going on? First question, difference between the CI received by Preet and Reet. Achha, let's calculate that. Achha. 25% of our savings in scheme 2 and scheme 2 gives you CI, compound interest. Correct, sir? Achha, that means let's not calculate together, just let me answer this question. 25% of her savings means 1500 rupees. And what about Reet, sir? Reet, 3/4 of her savings in scheme 1, meaning sir 1/4 in scheme 2. 1/4 of 8,000 is 2,000 rupees. Achha, for 2 years. This is also for 2 years. So meaning actually the difference they are asking, it will be the difference between this, because time and rate of interest is same. So it will be, the answer will be 5, whatever is the compound interest on this 500 rupees. For how many years? For 2 years. Sir, what will be the effective rate of interest? Sir, 8% is the rate of interest. So effective will be 8 plus 8 plus 8 into 8 by 100 compound interest. I'm using AB theorem. 8 plus 8, 16, 64, meaning 16.64%. So 500 into 16.64% means by 100. So this is 5 16s are 80 and 5 into 64 means plus 3.2. 83.2 rupees. 83.2, option number A, sir. Option number A, 83.2 is the correct answer. First questions first. Done, sir. Very simple. Next one. But again, don't erase everything here. Do not erase everything. This is not getting erased. Chalo, theek hai, no worries. Why? Because they will ask you something else. What that is? Simple interest received by Preet and Reeth together is something. So simple interest, how much? So 6,000, 25% was on compound interest. So like that means 1/4. That means 3/4 will be in simple interest. 3/4 is how much, sir? Like this is 4,500. 3 by 4 into 6,000. So that was for scheme 1 for 5 years. Every year 12%. 5 years 60%. Plus. Answer. Reeth invested 3/4 of her savings. 3/4 means 6,000. Acha. In scheme 1 for 3 years. 1 year 12%. 3 years 36%. Correct? Calculate, sir. Double. Sir, a calm. Sir, 60 into 45. You can do one thing. 60 you can take common. 45 plus 36. 45 plus 35 is 80. This is 81, sir. Sir, 6 8s are 480, 486. And a 0, sir. 4860. This is the total interest. Now they are asking, again, R% rate of simple interest for 7 by 2 years. Then the interest is this. Then the value of R. Sir, 4860 you are keeping for 7 R by 2%, meaning 200. Right? Because 7 by 2 years for R% per year. This is the total interest. This is given as 2551.5. Correct? So 1 0 gone, another 0 gone. I'll get rid of this decimal. So just cancel, sir. 7 say. 7 3s are 21. 45, I guess, right? 7 6 are 42, 31. 7 4s are 20, 28, 3. 7 5s are this. Correct? R. Sir, R is this 486. Acha, this 2 was also there, na? 2 se karoge to 243. 3645 divided by 243. Calculate. 243 into 1. 243. 364. 1 2. 1. This is 2. This is 1. 1 2 1 5. Sir, it is 5 times. R is 15, sir. R is 15. R is 15, which is there in option number E, sir. Yes. Option number E, R is 15. R is equal to 15, sir. Done. Done, sir. Perfect. So, again, couple of questions, straight away we got the answer. We got the answers very straight away. Right? Simple questions, not difficult at all. Not difficult at all. Perfect, sir, everyone. Now, next question. So this is elephant, lions, tigers and stuff. Acha, this is a DI, right? I don't know how many questions. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 questions DI. So let's do one thing. At least I'll start the question. I'll solve at least the first question. You will get the idea, minimum idea of how to approach. how to approach, you will get the idea. So first things first, this is not a difficult set. A couple of informations they have given us also. So that is percentage of elephants and stuff and whatnot. What I will do, sir, I'll figure out. So there are three types of animals: elephants, tigers, lions. So elephants, tigers. I'm just making the column. Okay, tigers and lions, and total is given for like most of this. I don't know like for everything, but again I know for few. Sir, first things first, understand. Sir, 180 is given, 125 is given. Perfect, everyone. And this is average given. So average given means total also I can figure out. This is average for tiger and lions. So total also I can definitely figure out. So now from there, so let's first fill this column. So total is like for this zoo A, total is 81 into 2, that is 162. Total of what? This is total lions plus total tigers. Now 25% elephant means this 162 consists of 75%. Can I say? Can I say, देखो भाई ये 75% है, because 25% is elephant means lions and tigers together will consist of 75%. So how many elephants? Elephants will be, sir, 25% as per given in the question. So meaning this by 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are this. So that means number of elephants are 54. And total number of animals, sir, 75% is this, 100% का value निकाल लो, और 25% is this, into 4 you do 100%. So this is to 216, sir. Done. Same thing you can do for zoo C, third zoo, sir. 30% is such as 84. 84 twice, sir. 84 because this is average. So this is 168. This is for 70%, sir. Why? Because 30% I know that is elephant. So tiger plus lion has to be 70%. So 30% will be how much, sir? 168 into 30 by 70. 0, 0. 7 2s are 14, 7 4s are this. So ये आ गया, sir, 72. And sir, 100% will be what? So 20, एक second, 72, that represents 30 into 100, sir. So just calculate this, 0 0 gone, 324, 240, sir. एक सेकेंड, हमने कुछ गलत कर दिया, सर. अरे यार, this is the given. This is for our zoo C, na? This is for zoo C, 240, sir. This is for zoo C, not for zoo D. So is given as 125. Zoo D is given. So all 4 zoos total is given. Total we have found. We have figured out total. Okay. Now again, if you want, we can like forcefully go a little deeper as well. But again, I don't want to. Keep it like this. As for that, for the time being, let's keep it like this. So we have figured out total number of animals for all the zoos. Now take these notes and let's see na, और थोड़ा आगे बढ़ते. The difference between the number of elephants and tigers in zoo C is 39. अच्छा, number of elephants in zoo C and number of tigers in zoo, number of tigers in zoo C, this difference is 39. You see, I have taken the sign of difference because I don't know which one is greater and which one is smaller. And number of lions in zoo C, it is greater than the number of elephants in zoo C. It is given to us. अच्छा, average number of अच्छा, ये बाद में देखते हैं. First things first, let's calculate this. अच्छा, first things first, I am taking कि EC is equal to, so elephant is greater, so this will be, it's a TC plus 39, right? So EC is what? Elephant in C. Number of elephants in C, sir. Number of elephants in C. You see, you will say, sir, ये तो एक लाइन में निकल जाएगा कैसे? सर 30% का वैल्यू तो हम निकाले थे. That was 72, I guess. ये 72 निकाले थे ना हम लोग. ये देखो, ये हमने गलत कर इधर ही बैठा दिया था. This was 70. That was the mistake actually. Because 168 came out to be like this 70%, so 30% was 168 by this and this. 24 into 3, that was like 72. Perfect everyone. वही आया था ना? एक सेकेंड 168. हाँ सर, वही आया 72. करेक्ट. अच्छा, एक सेकेंड, ये वैल्यू भी हम निकाल सकते हैं, लाइक इफ डोंट नीड इट, बट अगेन you see 40% का वैल्यू 125, like total is 125, तो उसका 40% होगा. So 2/5 into 125 ऐसे कर सकते हो. 25. So ये like this will be 50, sir. This will be 50. Perfect. You can do if you want. Now again, we are talking about C. Elephant in C is 72, sir. That is equal to TC plus 39. So TC becomes what, sir? 72 minus 39. So that is 33, sir. Okay. And if this becomes 30, so tiger in C becomes 33, sir. So lions will become what, sir? Lions क्या बनेगा? Sir, you will say lions total is 240. 240 minus 72 and this. So 105. So ये बनेगा 135 number of lions. Now ये condition, is this condition getting satisfied? Lions is more than elephants. The lions is more than elephants. Yes. Now what was the other possibility? What was the other possibility? I'm just omitting this stuff. I'm just omitting this so that we can calculate a little bit. Achha, you see, just try to understand. So EC minus TC, so it could have been TC minus EC as well. That was equal to 39 because only difference is given. So there TC would have been EC plus 39. There TC would have been, EC is what, sir? EC means number of elephants, that is 72 plus 39, that is 111. So that means here the value could have been 111. But if that was the case, so in that case the number of lions would have been 240 minus 33 minus 111 and this. So this would have been 240 minus 111 and 72. So this 381. 240 minus 183. So this would have been 57, sir. Now if I put 57 here, you see this is 72, 57 is less than 72. So ये condition is getting violated. Number of lions is now less than number of elephants. That cannot happen. So this is not the right condition. This is not right, this is right, sir. So the value that we have got in the first case, that is correct, sir. We cannot take the second case values. We should not take the second case values. We should stick to our first values. Now again, depending on how you have gone, like the second case that we have got, it might be your first case. But again, you have to learn how to leave that, how you need to leave that aside. Okay. So, but again, please understand, conceptually you have to take both the side, like both the cases. You have to take both the cases, sir. Okay? You cannot just like take one case and ignore the other. ये क्या हो रहा है? देखो, everything gone. Automatically this is getting erased. This was 216 as far as I can remember. And ये values भी याद नहीं है. ये values याद नहीं है. फिर से करना पड़ेगा. Automatic it got erased. It got automatically erased. अच्छा, ये 40% था ना. 40% is 2 by 5, 50, this one. This was 30%, 72. This was 25, 216 by 4 554 सर। एंड ये इसका कुछ आया था ना, इसका कुछ नहीं था ना, नथिंग अराउंड दिस। ठीक है, चलो लेट्स डू दिस। अच्छा, नाउ एवरेज नंबर ऑफ एलिफेंट्स इन जू सी एंड डी, elephants in zoo C and D, average will be say 72 plus 50, that is 122 by 2. This is average. It is equal to, is 1 less than the average number of lions in A and B. So lions in A, average is this, minus 1, 1 less. So from there I can draw or write LA plus LB by 2. That is equal to, this is 61, this is 62. Or you can write LA plus LB, it is equal to 120. It is equal to 124. Done? Now, in zoo B, this is a condition that I am just keeping it for myself. The number of elephants and lions are in the ratio 3:2. Achha, this was elephants. This was tiger, lions. In zoo B, this is number of elephants are in and lions are in this ratio 3:2. Number of elephants 3x and number of lions is 2x. Okay. Acha. So that means, acha, first of all, the number of lions is 44% less than the number of tigers. So this value, you will use modular method. Right? Number of, please understand, number of lions are 44% less than the number of tigers. Now, so again, number of like tigers will be, sir, number of lions we know 2x. It is. Now, it represents what? It represents what? Number of lions, it is 44% less than the number of tigers. 44% less. Meaning it is 56%. Number of tigers ka 56% is number of lions. So 2x% represents 56%. Number of tigers will represent 100. So 2 say ye 28 and sir 4 sevens 425. So that means this is 25x divided by 7. So this is your number of tigers. Number of tigers. Correct? Everyone? Absolutely clear? Now, so I got this, I got this, I got this. Now what is the ratio of, so वो निकालेंगे. So equation कैसे निकलेगा? Sir, 3x plus 2x, that is 5x plus 25x by 7. That means this is how much, sir? 35, 60x by 7. That is given as total number of animals is 180. So this is 3 times x is 21. X is equal to 21. Now once I know x equal to 21, you see ratio of number of tigers. अच्छा tigers में जाएंगे but lions का ले लेते हैं. Lions will be 2x. 2x means this is lion in in zoo B. It is how much? It is how many, sir? Lions in zoo B. It is going to be 21. 2s are 42. ये आ गया 42, sir. So from here I will get lions in zoo A as well. 124 minus 42. So this is 2 and sir 82. This is lion in zoo A. Now they are asking ratio of number of tigers in zoo A and zoo B. Sir, number of tigers in zoo A, sir, it is 25x by 7. 25 by 7 into x. This is zoo A. 7 3s. So ये आ गया 75, sir. ये आ गया sir 75. This is zoo B, sir, sorry. So this is, my answer is going to be 75 first, like B में. And A में क्या आएगा, sir? A का देखो, sir. 216 is the total. Out of that, lions are this and elephants are 54. So it will be 216 minus 54 plus 82. Sir, 8, 5, 130, 136. 136 means 80. 5 16s are this, 5 15s are this. 16 ratio 15, option B, sir. Option B is the correct answer. You see, it is all about calculating a few lines. And you see, we have got most of the values now. Now again, any question now they ask from elephants, because we got all the elephant values, we got all the tiger values, we got all the lion values, and total to kabhi mil chuka tha. So now we can answer any and every question that they may throw at us. Perfect, sir. Perfect. Chalo. अच्छा, next one. हम थोड़ा slow चल रहे हैं आज, पता नहीं. Sir, again, very basic question. Why basic? Sir, ये तो 2 लाइन का question. Sir, A plus B, you take 6k. This is 7k. This is 8k. So if you add all three, you see, twice of A plus B plus C, we are getting as 21k, sir. Because you see, A is twice, B is twice, C is twice. I have taken 2 like together. So A plus B plus C comes out to be 21k by 2. Perfect. Now, this is given as 28. 7 3s are this, 7 4s are this. So K is 8 by 3. Now they are asking value of B. This is a value of B kaise niklega? Don't worry. Achha, A plus B plus C was 28. So I need B. So B will be, socho sir, B is A plus B plus C minus A plus C na. That will give you B. A plus C is 8k, sir. 8k. Now that means B will be A plus B plus C is 28 minus 8k means 8 into k is 8 by 3, 64 by 3, sir. So 72 minus, 84 minus 64 by 3. That is 20 by 3. देखो एक लाइन का क्वेश्चन था. This was a simple one-liner option. Moving on, sir. अच्छा, very simple questions of data sufficiency. Data sufficiency is always easy. A bag contains 10 balls of 3 colors, red, white, and this. अच्छा, picking white balls. White balls I need to pick, meaning I need to figure out number of white balls. That is enough. If a ball is picked from the bag, then the probability is it's either red or black is 3 by 5. So meaning out of 10 balls, 5 here means total 6 balls were either red or black. So 4 balls were white, sir. So, or rather 3 by 5 is the probability that it is red or black, meaning not white. So 2 by 5 will be white. So that means from here I can answer the question. Now, if a ball is picked, the probability is either red or white, it is half. But again, exactly white, I cannot answer. So my answer is 1 alone is sufficient, 2 alone is not sufficient. So again, my answer will be this. Please understand, data sufficiency, I have told you guys this thing multiple times. It is all about what? It is all about understanding. You don't need to solve questions. You do not need to solve questions. You never need to solve the entire question, sir. It is all about understanding how conceptually sound you are in the chapter. I hope this is clear. Chalo, next one. Acha, next one is saying time and work. Okay. In how many days Vivek alone can complete if Raidu and Shikhar can do it in 16 days? Okay. Chalo, badhiya. Statement 1. If Shikhar destroys the work at his same efficiency, then both Raidu and Shikhar can complete in this many days. And efficiency of Shikhar and Vivek are related. Arey, idhar se aa jayega, sir. Why? You see, Shikhar plus Raidu, I'm just giving you this. Efficiency I know. And Shikhar minus Shikhar plus Raidu, meaning when Shikhar is working negative, destroying the work, that is also known. So like from this equation, from these couple of equations, simultaneous equations, we'll get their efficiencies, Raidu and Shikhar. And once I know the efficiency of Shikhar, I will get the efficiency of Vivek because 60% है. तो विवेक का efficiency मिल जाएगा तो time भी मिल जाएगा. देखो, I'm just thinking, I'm not calculating कि what will be that value. I'm just thinking whether we can calculate or not. Statement 2. Efficiency of Raidu is this much of Vivek. Meaning Raidu, if I can figure out, Vivek also will be able to. Shikhar and Vivek together can do the work in 30 days. So Shikhar plus Vivek is given. That means again Vivek ke jagah I can replace it with Raidu because it is related. Again, so Shikhar and Raidu ka already we know that 16. So that means definitely statement 2 also will give me my answer. So my answer will be either 1 or 2. Option C. Sir. Option C will be my answer. He said either of the statements will give me my answer. Khatam, sir. Next one. Q1, Q2, quantity comparison. Sold at this much. अरे ये तो कुछ नहीं है. Sir, देख लो. Sir, always see this. This 15% profit, this 20% profit. Whatever it might be, remember, whatever it might be, it is always what? Sir, profit, loss, whatever it might be, it is always calculated on CP. 15% profit means 15% of CP. 20% profit means 20% of CP. So this profit has increased. By how much? By 5%. It is in terms of money, this is rupees 12.5. Now this is 5% of what? 5% of CP. So CP is what? 100%. So 5 is this, meaning sir 5 is into 2.5, so multiply. So you also multiply with 2.5. So the CP is rupees 250, sir. This is your Q1. Let's figure out Q2, sir. Selling price is this. अरे ये बहुत ही easy question दे दिया. 300 represents profit percentage. 20 means SP is 120. I need a CP that is 100. So this is 5, this is 6 directly. 6 5s. Again, this is 250 only. This is Q2. That means Q1 is equal to Q2. Option E is the answer. So this is one line. ये कुछ नहीं था इसमें. This was very easy. This was very easy. Difference between the curved surface area and the plane surface area of a hemisphere whose volume is this. Sir, curved surface area and plane surface area. Sir, curved surface area, it is 2 pi r square. Plane surface area is the plane surface, that is pi r square. Difference is this. Volume, volume is given. Volume is given as 2/3 into pi into r cube. 19404. 11 ones are 11. 84. So 7s are this. 76 are this. 4s are this. 2 2 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 1. So r cube is, this is 21 square and 3 7s are 21. 21 cube. So r is 21. And so the first quantity will be pi into 21 square, meaning 441. This is Q1. This is 21. Again, you see, I am not putting value of pi. Why? Because I have seen this is cone, meaning this will also have pi. So comparison we will use pi. Pi, keep it, because I don't want to do the calculation. Here I have put pi. Why? Because there was only value. So I had to put pi. Now, volume of the cone of height this, radius this. 1/3 into pi into r square into h. R square is what? Radius square, that is 49, into h is 27. This is 9, sir. 49 into 9, sir. ये तो 441 into pi. So the answer once again is Q1 is equal to Q2. Option E. Option E is the correct answer. Both are equal. both are equal sir. Perfect. Next one. Acha, wrong term 1, why is the wrong term in y? Acha sir, both wrong terms we have to figure out, then I need to answer. Acha, more than one question hai kya isme? बढ़िया है सर, इट्स अ गुड थिंग. अच्छा चलो देखते. 185, 196, 310. This is plus 11 plus 17. Prime number है क्या? So this is how much? Plus 23. This is 36, 11 plus 31. This is 43. Correct? Logic is sir prime numbers, but prime numbers में भी 11 consecutive तो है नहीं sir. 11 and 17 there is a 13. 13 is not there. 17, 23, 19 is missing. 23, 31, 29 is not there. Acha. Okay. So take the pattern like this, sir. One skip. Prime number skip one, sir. Prime number skip one, sir. So meaning this is 11, skip 1, next prime. Skip 1, next prime. Skip 1, next prime. 31, then skip again anything missing. 31, 19, 23, I have like 17, 19, 29. Wrong है ना? Most probably यही then wrong है. 31 के बाद because 37 है, 41 होगा sir. 41. Sorry, this is wrong, sir. This should be 41. This should be 41 and this should be 308. So this is the wrong number. This is your wrong number, sir. Right? So x is equal to 310. X is 310, sir. Okay? So I'm just writing it here. X is 310. Now, what about series 2? Chalo, again calculate karte hai, sir. 897 minus 456. 1. This is sir 4. This is sir 4. 21 square. Correct? Acha. 5381 minus 4897. This is 4. This is 0. Sir 8. This is sir 9. This is 4. This is gone. It is a 22 square. Next one, sir. 908 minus 381. Right, sir? 7. This is a 2. This is a 4, 5. Sir, ये तो 527. I'm quite certain कि यही गड़बड़ है because 5 it should be 529, which is 23 square. Because you see all the others are squares. So this should be 29 square. So meaning this number is wrong. This number is wrong. It should be 529. So this is your y. Again, I don't need the correct one. This is y. Y is 5908. So y minus 3x. My answer will be 5908 minus 3930, sir. So 5908 minus 938, and sir this is 7. 78 se ending, sir. This one, sir. So option B is the answer. Only one option ending in this 78. That's my answer. Perfect. Chalo, next one. Acha, root x plus y plus this. Acha, chalo. Root over of 5908. Acha, 5908 plus y 310 plus 182. 0. This is 901. 59, 60, 64, sir. That means 80 will be the answer. ये बहुत ही simple था option numbers. But again, it's good na. Once we can, so again, just we needed to find xy. That was and enabling us for 2 answers. दो आंसर दे रहा था हम लोग. करेक्ट. So last question. अच्छा, लास्ट क्वेश्चन, बट अगेन वी आर एब्सोल्युटली आउट ऑफ टाइम. मैं थोड़ा आप लोगों को समझा देता हूं. दिस इज अ वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, वेरी वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. अच्छा, लेट मी ट्राई माय बेस्ट टू draw this figure. So that's the best way to like solve this. Best way to solve this. ठीक है, समझो अच्छे से. So there is this cone. Oh, sorry, cylindrical rod, cylinder. Try to visualize, sir. Try to visualize. And what happened? We have cut out a smaller cylindrical rod from this. We have been able to cut out a smaller cylindrical rod from this, sir. Okay. So we have done what? We have done something like this. So this is what we have done. ऐसे हमने इसको काट ली. Now what they have told us कि this is your H height. ठीक है, this is the part and this is your radius is R. Now they are asking surface area of this remaining portion. Surface area of this remaining portion. So just go surface by surface. You see, please understand. This, if you go by this, so the outer surface, the bigger, this figure, the outer surface, so you will say 2 into pi into RH, R is 56 and 80, H. So into 56 into sir 80 plus this lower surface, this surface that I am talking about, that is pi r square, pi into 56 square plus anything else, sir? Anything else? You will say absolutely. So this surface, this one, which looks like a circular ring, that is pi into 56 square minus r square. Anything else? Anything else? Yes, sir. This surface, that is pi into r square. Anything else? Yes, sir. This surface, ये जो inside वाला surface है, meaning the outer surface of this. So that is 2 pi RH once again. 2 pi RH. This is the entire surface area, which is given as 50,512. Again, this is a little calculation that you have to do. From here, you see, I can see pi r square minus plus pi r square cancel. So I'll have, you see, 2 pi, you put the value, RH equal to something you will get. Just because we don't have the time, I'm just last question, I'm just giving you the, because the time is over. So RH equal to some value you will get. And you see range of R is given. So these couple of lines of calculation will give you the value of R. R from here and R from here. Okay. So you see R into H is a constant value. So maximum value of R will give you the minimum value of H, and minimum value of R will give you the maximum value of H. And from there you will get the minimum value of H to maximum value of H. It is called the range of H. So minimum to maximum in a bracket, in this case a first bracket, will give you your answer. Will give you your answer. But again, conceptually, if you have understood this, ये visualize अगर कर पाए हो, if you have been able to visualize this, then your answer, you will be able to solve this. देखो, the whole question was there, if you have been able to visualize this, and from there if you have been able to write this equation. This is the entire thing. Clear, sir? Clear, everyone? Chalo. So that was then it for this week's live mock. Again, there is a very quick update. There is a scholarship test for this, and the notification is also out. So this is the right time. This is the time to step up the game, to study as hard as possible. Any help you need from my end, please don't hesitate to reach out through my LinkedIn, through mail, through the Telegram, anywhere you find. Okay. So again, thank you so much for joining in. If you have any queries, anything, any feedback at all, please feel free to use the comment section. I will be more than happy to reach out to you guys. And if you have any doubts, please feel free to reach out to me as well. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye from my end.